Looking for the best electric screwdrivers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 electric screwdrivers for concerts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Milwaukee, 12 volts 1/4 inch hex screwdriver. Very light at just 2 pounds. Quick change/quick release options. Affordable and portable. Excellent durability. Suitable for small to medium duty tasks around the home. Light and portable. Product is good but not exceptional. At number 2. SKIL, rechargeable cordless screwdriver. The intuitive design of the switch simply requires a twist to the left or right for operation. The locking bit holder keeps your bits attached while working, and the built-in live wire sensor could be a lifesaver. This is a handy, little tool that has a number of convenient features not found on other models. Intuitive switch. This model is not as powerful as other options, making it best for threaded applications. At number 1. DeWALT, 8 volts max gyroscopic screwdriver. Combination of gyroscope and variable speed gives great control. High torque output well managed by multi-position clutch. Pistol or straight grip. 2 batteries means non-stop work if necessary. A feature-packed, fast charging, high-performance tool that reacts to your hand input and adjusts power supply accordingly. Expensive for DIY users. It takes a while to get the best from the gyro action, and it's quite large for this kind of tool. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.